Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to play Roblox without having to download it. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Starting off, ensure you have a reliable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. Now, navigate to Now.gg for Roblox. This platform allows you to play Roblox right from your browser, without the need for downloading. Tap on Play Roblox Online for free on PC and mobile. Keep in mind that the availability might vary based on your region. As of my last update, this method is accessible for users in the US. When you access the Roblox page on the site, you have the option to play as a guest or, for a more personalized experience, log into your existing Roblox account. And that's pretty much it. Dive right into the world of Roblox without the hassle of downloading. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy gaming! Bye bye!